Hey, good morning. Masyadong foggy tayo today. Actually, kahapon pa to. Kahapon and then naglala kagabi.
Sunday night?
Ay, no. Oo, Sunday night and then kahapon. And then nag-aliwalas lang ng noon kahapon. And then ng gabi bumalik ulit. And then today, eto na naman siya. Super, super foggy. May fog advisory. So ang daming cars doon, hindi namin makikita. Kung wala silang lights, hindi namin sila makita. Pero it's so foggy. Ayan guys, wala tayong nakikita. Usually ganito may
Mercedes.
yeah, nasa gitna
Police
siya.
would like to report a drunk driver.
Usually nakikita na natin yung mga buildings dito, pero ngayon it's so super foggy. Wala
Okay,
tayong
so
nakita.
he was trying to switch lanes.
So foggy. Hindi masyadong kita yung train, no? Ayan. Ang dilim. Hindi naman madilim. Lang. Foggy lang talaga. Tignan nyo guys. Oh my
Kita yung
God.
stadium.
Walang kita. Hindi kita ang stadium. May stadium dyan. Ayan. Tapos may mga buildings dito pero ngayon wala. Hindi kita talaga.
Oh my goodness, it's actually real bad in here.
Zero visibility. Ayan, no? Oh my God. Pero ganun naman talaga sa forecast, 'di ba, na up to zero visibility yung So bad. Grabe. Hindi man lang inilawan ng mga taga-stadium yung lights ng stadium, but super talaga, super bad talaga.
We're gonna eat here at Menyarizo. Cute. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Guys, ang laki ng moon. Kahapon pa lang full moon, and then ngayon, sabi ni Kim, anong klaseng moon yan? Sabi ko, baka residue na. Funny.
Funny yarn.
Funny yarn.
Comedian.
Pauwi na kami guys. Galing kaming dinner pala. And medyo traffic ngayon. Not so much traffic. Pero nag-dinner kami sa may Broadway. Anong pangalan nun?
Menyarizo.
Rizo. Nag-dinner kami doon. Mura lang yung ramen nila. And ang sarap. Oh my God, na-amaze ako sa moon talaga. Parang ang close niya.
Asan ba?
Ay,
Oh, yeah. Wow.
nasan ba yun?
It's over there.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up all night. I think it's hard how we always wait another day. How we watch things that kids walk away. Let's live down by the water.
Sarap mag-church. Releases your something heavy. Thank you for another year. Good morning, guys.
Too scared now.
Naanuhan siya pala sa araw, but it was good. Tingnan nyo. It's Saturday ngayon and may appointment kami ni Kim para may appointment kami para sa namin sa naturopath ba yun? Yeah, sa naturopath. And hindi namin in-expect na sobrang iinit pa lang ngayon yung araw, but I guess ano,
Super sunny today.
oo, super sunny today. So, the rest of, yung week before, sobrang ulan. And then, this week, sobrang ulan. No, mali pala. The week before, sobrang init. And then, this week, masyadong maulan. And then, this weekend, masyadong maaraw. Ayan, kita nyo ba? Sorry.
I think it's only for one day though.
For one day lang, no? Yeah, super clear ang sky. Super, super beautiful. And bibili kami ngayon ng breakfast sa Tim's. Kasi nagkikrave ako ng bagel sa Tim's. So, bili muna tayo bago tayo pupunta ng appointment natin.
Okay. Finally got our order. And I finished mine already. Thanks to Hortons for sponsoring this video. And then we got one drink. Steep tea.
With soy.
With soy. Alam nyo, I bought this thing. You guys will love it. Wait lang. Nasaan ba yun? Ito. You guys will love it. Look at this. This nice cleaner. Okay, let's just take this out. Okay, look. You see? And then it's clean. Diba? Ang cool. Ito yung mga nakikita ko sa mga videos sa TikTok and I don't have TikTok. Sa Instagram. So we saw it sa
Indigo.
sa Indigo and we just bought it for magkano ba yun?
6, 7? I forgot.
Mga ganun. But look, it's nice. Actually, hindi naman siya masyadong nice, but it's pretty
so
cool.
Much, and brings so much joy to us.
True.
Na hindi siya hindi yung screen.
True. Dito kami sa Kingsway and Tyne. Pero, I think, oras na kaya?
I think we should go now.
Oras na ba?
It's 11:49. We only have 11 minutes to go there.
12:30 appointment natin.
12:30 pala? Oh, you didn't tell me! We should have just gotten the breakfast! Kainis to!
Okay.
Akala ko 12. Akala ko 12.
12:30 nakita ko.
Kainis to.
I
Sayang.
know. I want some protein. It's okay. Kain na lang tayo pag-uwi.
Bye.
Okay, we're gonna drive now. It's only like 5 minutes from here. So, yeah. Okay, see you. Guys, same place. Same time. So, yeah. Here na naman. Excited?
No, we go.
Hey guys, so it's 3:30. Yeah, I'm leaving now. Just getting ready in the car. But yeah, I'm leaving. I work tonight 4 to midnight, and then I work again tomorrow at my part-time job from like 8 to 4. So it's busy. Anyways, I gotta go.